The challenge with a lot of people is getting the weight into position for the dumbbell incline chest press. So how exactly do we do that? So we're gonna put the dumbbells on our quads, a little bit closer to the knees. What we're gonna do is put momentum forward, and then we're gonna throw ourselves back while kicking the knees up like that. Now we're into position, and then we can push from right there. And then dismount, you get done at the bottom, and then just roll them down like that and sit up like that. So what's the issue of doing it like here? Let's say we're here, like this, not good for the shoulder. And then you use a lot of energy, now you're stuck down here, and that first rep is gonna be that much more difficult. So next time you do the dumbbell incline chest press, give that a try, see how it goes. With that said, if you got some value to today's video, hit that like button, and we'll see you next time.